Hello my wonderful people, welcome to my page. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make this homemade delicious white bread. So here are the ingredients that I'll be needing: 550 grams of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 10 grams of yeast, 350 grams of milk. Make sure you use warm milk. I will go ahead and mix all my dry ingredients by adding in my sugar, salt. I'll give it a stir and set aside. In my mixing bowl, I added in my warm milk and yeast. Give it a stir. I went ahead and add in all my dry ingredients. Mix it together until it is well mixed. I will leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will add in 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. I will mix it until well combined for 5 minutes again. You are looking for a smooth dough. Once that is done, I will transfer it to my work surface and sprinkle some flour. I started by kneading the dough. Once I'm done kneading the dough, I rolled it and divided it into 4 parts. I went ahead and sprinkled some flour on my work surface and roll it like this. When done, roll it in a sausage roll form. At this point, you can make any shape that you want or you desired. I use my cutter to mark out my desired shape. So after this, pinch the edge to seal it. Roll it to your perfect shape. I'm going ahead to place the bread on a baking pan. Cover the bread with a towel or uncovered and put in a warm place and wait for 15 to 30 minutes. I will go ahead and break in 1 egg and set aside. 30 minutes later, as you can see, the bread has doubled in size. I rub the egg all over the bread. It is time for baking. Bake in the oven at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. 25 minutes later, do you see what I'm seeing? Wow, it turned out so delicious. So guys, please go and try out this recipe. If you have not followed this page, what are you waiting for? Please follow, like, share and comments to know when I upload a new video. Thank you guys and remain blessed. Bye.